Good afternoon, everyone. I am Abhijit, and along with me, my colleague Vikas is here. We are part of ECO, uh, which is which was established in 2007, and here we are for the product that is called Iloka, which is empowered by ECO, one of the product for which we are here. So, before proceeding further, I would like to play one of the video which talk more about the eco mission and vision and the problem statement and the pain point we are solving here. So,
Hi, my name is Abhinav, and I started Echo along with my co-founder Abhishek in September of 2007.
I am Abhishek Sinha. I am one of the co-founders at Echo India Financial Services. When we started Echo, the mission for us was to democratize access to financial services.
We've been running Echo for the last 16 years, and we've taken close to 2,000 brands to these next billion customers through a very deeply embedded network of micro entrepreneurs. They certainly have started doing basic banking or payment transactions through us.
इको जो है बेसिकली जो डेली वेजेस वाली जो लेबर है या लोग हैं उनको बड़ा हेल्पफुल होता है। इवन जब बैंक्स वगैरह क्लोज हो चुके होते हैं, छुट्टी हॉलीडे होता है, उस दिन भी ये सर्विसेज चल रही होती हैं।
मैं ये दुकान पिछले 10 साल से चला रहा हूँ। कस्टमर का पैसा ऑलवेज इको में सेफ है, बिकॉज वो कस्टमर के पास जब तक ओटीपी नहीं जाएगा हम उसका रिफंड भी प्रोसेस नहीं कर सकते।
Tons and tons of migrants from Eastern UP, Bihar, and other parts of the country who would come to large cities for economic activity. The idea was that if I'm working here, what's the most convenient way to send money back home?
मैं मूर्ति का काम करता हूँ, सिलाई करता हूँ। ये नजदीक है, मैं जान सकते हैं तो कभी यहाँ पे भेजा देता हूँ। 200, 500, 1000 जो भी होता है वैसे भेजा देता हूँ।
मैं यहाँ पे रिचार्ज करवाने आती थी तो मुझे पता चला कि यहाँ पे पैसे भी ट्रांसफर होते हैं, तो फिर मैं पैसे ट्रांसफर यहीं से करवाती हूँ।
जैसे हमें नेपाल में गांव में पैसे भेजने होते हैं, इसके थ्रू बहुत आसानी से हमें अकाउंट में सीधा डायरेक्ट पैसे भेज सकते हैं। मैंने वैसे जाना होता 2-3 दिन का सफर लगता है, तो 5-10 मिनट में पैसे भेज जाते हैं।
We have 400,000 micro entrepreneurs on the platform who have served over 50 million end consumers, their walk-in customers, and cumulatively they have transacted over $30 billion in transactions across various products and services.
ये हमें काफी साल हो चुके हैं। रात के टाइम में अगर किसी की चीज की जरूरत है तो उसकी हेल्प होगी। मेरे ख्याल 10-15-20 दिन ही हुए होंगे, किसी को इमरजेंसी भेजनी थी 60,000 रुपए, तो फिर उनके भेजे रात के टाइम में 12 बजे के करीब।
सुबह किसी को 8 बजे ड्यूटी जाना है, किसी को 9 बजे जाना है, अदरवाइज बैंक 10 बजे खुलता है, तो इसीलिए वो हमारे पास आके कैश देके पैसा भेजते हैं।
It's one of the transactions that Echo is doing, which gives a lot of pride to that migrant customers of Echo who eventually uses Echo to send money back home.
मैं बेटा और कुछ कर ही नहीं सकती ना। बाकी ये आपके अंकल ने मुझे सिखा दिया था तो मैं कर लेती हूँ। अब आपके अंकल है नहीं।
कम पढ़ा लिखा भी आदमी है तो भी इनका कनेक्ट से काम कर सकता है, और उसके साथ साथ दूसरे का काम भी हो रहा है और अपने को भी पैसा मिल रहा है।
2-3 महीने पहले मेरे दोस्त का एक्सीडेंट हो गया था, तो शाम को 8 बजे करीब तो बैंक बंद हो चुके थे, तो इसके इको के थ्रू बहुत आसानी से 1-2 महीने पैसे भेज दिए थे।
So this was little introduction about the ECO and the vision mission. So coming back to the what ECO is now solving the issue, that the pain point here is like in 2026 there will be approximately 270 million micro entrepreneurs. So what they are doing like going for the Ola gig workers are there, so they are going for that. And what we are providing is we are giving that platform which create many entrepreneurs who wants to start their own business. They can use our platform and they can start their own businesses along with their name and all the things that is related to them. They can put on that portal and they can start their own businesses. So for doing this, for solving this, we are having a business partnership with the different banks like SBI is there, Airtel, Fino, and other banks are also there. So what our North Star metric is, that is 25,000 per month per micro entrepreneur. See, this is the North Star metric which we follow in the ECO. And what we do for this, we provide a complete solution, that is Iloka. The name itself says Iloka, in which we provide all the services like insurance, credit, travel and utility, payment collection. These are the services which we provide over that system, that portal. Whichever our customer is using, they can go for only for insurance or credit or travel utility or all the complete packages. So this is the only metric we follow in the ECO, that 25,000 per month should be the income of the entrepreneur. What differentiates us from the other player which are in the market is we provide networks for the network. We are already having our network from the 2007 in the same network, and the same technology which we were using, now we are providing to the our customer, aspirational entrepreneurs who are in the market and want to do their own business. So our portal is configurable and agent-centric UX. Brands, whichever whosoever is want and come to us and want to integrate with us, as a aggregator, we very easily integrate with them. Uh, Taking to the next slide, uh, what we how we earn is we take commission and from the brands, and then we further do give the subscription to the entrepreneurs, and this is the way we earn money. Taking next to the slide, I would like to play again one of the video how our portal looks.
So we have just this is the last.
Yeah, very little. So.
So this is our onboarding journey basically. So how the retailer, how the user will onboard. So we are verifying each and every KYC documents. And it just simply click on just a few seconds, you can onboard. And after that onboarding, you can start live transactions. So again, this is the complete glimpse of what we have achieved in last 2 years in Iloka. Basically, we have launched at Iloka in 2023. So this is our present. Again, when we talk about the CAC for acquiring the partners or the micro entrepreneurs, so basically we are targeting from websites, Google marketing and Facebook marketing, which is kind of an organic base, and we are also getting the referrals and all. So it is kind of almost we are close to zero CAC for acquiring micro entrepreneurs. And for after acquiring, we are also doing the webinars with them to teach them how they will earn their incomes and how will they reach to 25,000, which is our benchmark. So this is our team structure. Basically, Shantanu, who is heading the business, who is having almost 25 years plus experience and major experience in telecom sector. Then Saurabh, who is our tech head, and again having almost 20 plus years of experience and started with Eco. And me and Abhijit, who is heading as a business manager. So again, this is kind of a matrix which we are targeting. Like our main objective is that every entrepreneur who is joined us will definitely earn 25,000 at least. So for that, we are if individual is earning 25,000, then as an eco, we will earn approx rupees 1,000 from that entrepreneur. So this is our matrix which we are earning. Thank you. Any questions?